familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be seeing 10 haunted places in India which you need to avoid. Before going to the video, if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get the notifications of my interesting videos. The curiosity to find out more about the unknown has inspired people to travel all four corners of the world for many centuries. While some feel an adrenaline rush exploring haunted places, while others prefer to stay away. India, the land of thousands of untold stories, has its own share of strange destinations. Check out this list to decide if you are daring enough to explore these places or spooked enough to steer clear. Number 1. Rajasthan, the Bangar Fort. This abandoned town in Rajasthan, a home to a majestic fort, is reported to be one of the most haunted places in India. Bangar and its ruins are closed to the visitors from sunset to sunrise, reportedly the time with the highest paranormal activity on the premises. According to one of the tales about the Bangar fort, they say a tantric priest fell in love with the princess Ratnavati, who was described as the jewel of the Rajasthan. The priest planned to cast a spell on her so she would fall for him as well. However, when the princess came to know of his plan, the priest was scared. Before dying, he cursed the town. Now, it lays in ruin and inhabitable for anyone. It is believed that the roof of the temples and houses fall down the moment they are built. Those who have dared to stay in the fort overnight have reported hearing footsteps and screeching of a woman. Number 2. Delhi, the Delhi Cantonment. By day, this is one of the most beautiful spots in Delhi, but by night, it's a different story. It is said that the road leading through Delhi Cantonment has a notorious ghostly hitchhiker who walks around aimlessly, clad all in white, waving for passerby to stop their cars. It is believed that people who have agreed to give her a ride are never seen again, and those who don't stop have claimed that the woman runs parallel to their window, matching the car's speed until they reach the border of Delhi Cantonment. Number 3. Dumas Beach, Surat, Gujarat. This black sand beach in Gujarat was once an important Hindu cremation ground, and it is this history that gives it an eerie edge. The cheery morning atmosphere fades with the setting sun, and by night, local people avoid Dumas Beach as much as possible. From spooky strikes to whispers, people have heard haunting sounds coming from Dumas, said to be the spirits of tormented souls. Some attribute the black sand to the ashes of the burned corpses, and on top of all that, nearby dogs are said to bark throughout the night, sensing a paranormal presence. Everything about this Dumas Beach makes it the last place you would want to be in a night. Number 4. Mumbai, Mukesh Mills. Built in 1870, this mill is a notoriously spooky location, shut down after a massive fire accident in 1980s. The mill was left in a dilapidated, erect state. Now it has become a major shooting location for Bollywood films. Several stars and crew members have claimed to be witnessed to paranormal activity in certain areas of the mill. Some have sworn that never they would return to the place, and few who do wrap up their work well before sunset. Number 5. Mussoorie, the Savoy Hotel. The story of this haunted hotel began in 1911. A spiritualist named Miss Frances Grenade Ormain was poisoned in the Savoy Hotel, and the mystery remains unsolved to this day. Guests have claimed to have seen Miss Grenade Ormain's ghost roaming around the hotel and heard the echoes of her footsteps. So infamous is this tale that Agatha Christie referred it in her book The Mysterious Affairs at Styles, as did the Ruskin Bond in his book A Mussoorie Murder. Number 6. Andhra Pradesh, Ramoji Film City. One of the largest film complexes in India, Ramoji Film Studio is also said to be home to various spirits that roam around the grounds and the hotel in the area. Built on a battlefield, Ramoji is supposedly surrounded by the spirits of the dead soldiers that are still active on the field. Odd marks on the mirror, props, and crew members falling to the ground is unexplained circumstances, and phantom food being scattered around are just some of the common occurrences reported in the studio. Number 7. Lonavala, the Rajkiran Hotel. Located in Lonavala, one of the most popular weekend gateways for Pune residents, Rajkiran Hotel may be small, but it is full of intrigue. There are particular rooms and areas where guests have witnessed various paranormal incidents. Holiday goers have faced their worst fears when their bed sheets were forcefully pulled off at night, or they woke up to an unexplained blue rain near the bed. Number 8. Pune, Shaniwar Vada. Huge forts at night are scary anyway, but Shaniwar Vada is something else entirely. Screams for help from an young boy are said to be heard by night. According to legend, a prince and heir to the Peshwa throne was brutally murdered in Shaniwar Vada. Today, painful screams of Kaka Malavacha, which means Uncle Save Me, echoes through the fort after dark, especially during full moon. Number 9. Mumbai, the Grand Paradi Towers. One of the first high-rise buildings in Mumbai, the Grand Paradi Towers is infamous for the number of suicides that has taken place there, where the total is close to 20. There is a particular apartment on 8th floor of the building that remains sealed, as many at Grand Paradi believe it is still home to the spirits of deceased residents who refuse to move on. Random knocks on the door, sounds of footsteps in unexpected places at unexpected time, and spine-chilling screams have led to the need for constant counseling sessions for the current Grand Paradi inhabitants. Number 10. West Bengal, Dow Hill. According to locals, terrifying ghost resides in the small hill stations of Dow Hill, the surrounding forest, and the nearby Victoria Boys School. A number of accidents and murders have taken place here in the forest, and the ghosts of various children have been sighted. The most common is one of a headless boy who roams around in the forest and follows people. Constant strikes, laughters, and footsteps can be heard in the school, even during vacations and weekends when nobody is around. So, these are the haunted places in India which you need to avoid. Or, if you are daring enough to explore them, tell me which place would you choose in the comment section below. Then, see you guys in another interesting video. Till then, take care.